Sa totoo lang po, mahirap ang buhay namin dito sa Talaba. Wala talagang tubig dito. Nag-iigib kami sa balon. Minsan pinapaligo ko sa mga anak ko.
These are unsanitized water coming directly from the underground. And these poor people use it for drinking and even cooking.
Nagkasakit ang anak ko dahil sa balon. Hindi ko akalain maligo yung anak ko. Tapos iniinom niya. Kasi siyempre nauhaw na siguro. Wala akong tubig.
We make it affordable when providing water into their homes. Unlike the local water provider that we have in the city, we ensure that we conduct our monthly water testing. We provide water sample to be given to the water lab to test for bacteriological exam, and also we also conduct a chlorine test to make sure that there is enough chlorine in our water to fight for the bacteria. The impact of Said's Sustainability Prize was for us to continue to open new areas and also to continue our work in the community by providing the services that they are really needed. Filipinos, we are resilient. Even though with the challenges that we face, we're still smiling after. There's hope in this kind of community that we live in.
Yung mga anak ko makaligo na ng maayos. Makasaing na kami ng naayos. May tubig kami sa araw-araw.
Nagguminhawa yung buhay namin na yun nga, masaya kami sa tubig kasi mas healthy na.